Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Krita and the AI plugin so you can work without interruptions. Open a new canvas, pick resolution and color profile, 300 dpi for print, 72 for web, and then load the Generative AI panel. Once loaded, make sure the plugin is enabled in settings and any required sign-in is complete. This prevents token errors later. Now select a model preset or choose custom parameters. This first step sets the generation style and resource use, so get it right before prompting. Now you craft the prompt and prepare a mask so the AI edits precisely where you want. Describe subject, style, mood, and lighting. Be concise but specific, mention colors or camera angles if needed. Once done, paint a mask on the layer. White to allow changes, black to protect. Refine edges with a soft brush set between 0, 5 and 5 pixels. Then set sampling iterations and a seed. Run a low-resolution preview first to iterate quickly, and only upscale when satisfied with composition and tones. Finish by integrating the AI output into your painting so it reads as one image. Tweak layer blending modes and opacity, and use clone or heal tools to remove artifacts or mismatched edges. Once satisfied, save incremental versions and export a layered PSD or PNG to preserve edits. If things go wrong, models stall or produce noise, reduce prompt complexity, lower resolution, or clear the plugin cache and retry. These steps resolve memory and convergence issues quickly, so you can continue without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.